All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back with another quarter collection video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. That's gonna let you know when we put out some new content. We're back in the laundromat. It's been a little while. We had a crazy couple weeks here in our town of Augusta, Georgia. Massive Hurricane Helene knocked over thousands, tens of thousands of trees. There's hundreds of homes that are completely annihilated. And we're real estate investors, so we're out buying houses with trees on them, right? We're wholesaling, we're buying flips, we're buying rentals, but we can't forget our laundromat, right? One of the things I'm thinking about doing is making a series of laundromat videos where I explain to you guys how to find, how to buy, how to renovate, and how to put into service laundromats, kind of like burring or flipping laundromats. If you guys are interested in that, leave me a comment below and say yes, or whatever you guys, comment below on whatever you guys want to see, what kind of series on the laundromat, all right? That being said, today we're gonna go around, we're gonna collect all the quarters from the washing machines, from the dryers, we're gonna weigh them up, we're gonna get the cash out of the change machines, we're gonna weigh it all up and see exactly how much money we made. Let's get after it. All right, starting with the dryers, we're gonna just run down this whole line as quick as we can. All right, yeah, so you know it's been a good week, right? I'm gonna tell you, when the far outside lying dryer, right, everyone gravitates towards the middle, right? Most of the time, the washing machines, right when you walk in the front of the laundromat, are the fullest, right? Because people are lazy. People just wanna walk in and go right to the closest thing. Well, when you see the dryer the furthest from the door, all the way on the outside, it usually means if it's that full, that means it's doing pretty good in here. There's also an outlier because people are lazy. So if I came in here and I wanted to do laundry, I'd put my laundry right here so I could just take it right here to fold it. So we'll see how it goes as we move down the line. All right. Oh yeah. A lot of you have been commenting like, hey, where's your laundry carts? Put your bucket in your laundry cart. We're in a good neighborhood, like a real good neighborhood where the laundry carts go missing right away when you put them out. Oh yeah. I can tell this is gonna be a good dryer run. I mean, it'll be $1,000 in dryers. Woo-hoo. A lot of people ask, why don't you switch over to credit cards or card machines, right? So we have this Dexter Pay where we have the option where people can download an app and they can actually pay from their phone, Apple Pay, whatever. It's an expensive upgrade. Probably cost me like $30,000 to make all these cards. And yeah, then you wouldn't have to come down here as much, but there's just something nice about cash, you know? And I've been poor and I grew up poor. And I know that sometimes you might not have, you know, your debit card is locked, right? Because you're overdrawn or you don't have enough money, right? You got $9 in your debit account. But everybody who's been poor knows how to dig in the couch, in the cup holders of your car, looking around in your jars on your dresser and things, and come up with $4 or $5 to come down here and wash your clothes. So it's all about the people you serve, right? So for me, I don't mind coming down here and getting the cash, but I know that the neighborhood that I'm in and that this store's in, that they're grateful. We run an awesome special here every Tuesday and Thursday. I call it the local special. And it's from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And everything in the laundromat is half off. So the $9 washers are $4.50. The $3 washers are $1.50. The 50-cent dryers are only 25 cents to start. All right. Transferring the dryer money over to that bucket only because this one has a handle. All right, let's start here. We're gonna work our way down. See how quick we can do it. Sometimes I get questions about what time we do this. It's in the complete middle of the night right now. But when you're an entrepreneur, when you're a business owner, there's no set hours, right? We do what we have to do when we have to do it. You definitely don't want to come in here at 10 a.m. Woo, look at that one. This is for the haters in the comments too, and I'm like, that's a couple $100. Somebody said, we'll put the comment right here in the video, but somebody's like, that's a, it's like $20 in quarters, laundromat manager. Get back to work. I'm like, man, people ain't got nothing but time. Look at that. You think that's $20? I love it. I need more haters than I do helpers right now. Because I don't have to pay the haters. The helpers I gotta pay. I need more haters than helpers right now. All right, we're gonna run through these fast. All right, let's see. Let's see how fast I can do these four right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I think this one better, no matter what. Woo! All right, now we got the big ones. Let's see, we got these 4 big ones left. Woo! All right, let's do these last 2 big ones. I think that's it. Oh yeah. All right, let's go see what our 4-day haul. Just a couple days here. Let's go see what it did. All right, now we're back in the office. We're gonna weigh up the quarters and see how much we got, okay? We use a quarter scale. This thing's pretty sweet, right? So we turn it on and we're gonna put a bucket on there and then we'll zero out the bucket. All right, and then we set the denomination for 25 cents, quarters. It knows how much it has. First, we're gonna do washer money. All right, let's weigh the washer quarters. What do we think? Andrew? 850. 850? I'm going 780. Woo! Might have to put this thing on the floor. That looks a little off. 667.50 in dryer money. All right, put that back in there. Next, washer money. Ooh, looks a little bit less. How much? $3.75. I'm going 510. Woo, 578.50. Not bad. All right, so we didn't check the soaps, right? But ultimately we came here because it's been a couple days. We know we've been busy, so we want to make sure the change machines have everything that they need. But let's do some quick math here. 4 days. Remember, Mondays, Tuesdays, your slowest days in the laundromat. Plus 578.50. All right, so $1,246 in 4 days. We divide that by 4. The laundromat made about $300 a day in gross revenue. That's unattended. That's like me not coming by here. That's like Alexa routines, turning on the lights, unlocking the doors, turning them off at night. That's the cleaner coming by here. It's exceptional, right? Really, really exceptional. We pay approximately $300 a week to have the laundromat cleaned every day, and it's making $300 a day. Okay, so I love businesses like that where I can look and be like, hey, one day takes care of my week of cleaning. Hopefully one day takes care of my week of utilities, right? One day is taking care of mortgage payment. One day is taking care of all other expensive, and then I have multiple days a week where I'm just profit, right? You wanna set out for a 50% profit margin, something like that. And if you can hit that, it's special, okay? $1,250 in quarters in just a couple days. Let's fill up the change machines because that's the funnest thing to do. We're back in our super secret safe room. We're gonna open up the change machines and see what 4 days of cash looks like. I don't know if we've, let's see. Remember, no single points of failure, all right? So we've got multiple redundancy. Not only do we have 2 change machines, but inside we have 2 change machines, right? 2 wires to each one. As Andrew pointed out, a single point of failure would be the power coming in. Right, put a little stack there. But if the power's out in the building, the washing machines and the dryers aren't gonna work anyway. What we don't want is the power to be on, and no change machines. I think that's, as a laundromat, that's your #1 commodity that you gotta have. Not soap. I mean, water and electricity is obviously, but you gotta have change. Can you imagine going to do your laundromat and going to do your laundry and there's no change? All right. This also, the safe room has its absolute own security system, right? You can run like its own alarm system, motion control, everything. So if someone breaks in the office, someone breaks in the laundromat, there's an alarm. Somebody breaks in the office, there's an alarm. Somebody breaks in the safe room, there's even another alarm. For 4 or 5 years, we've had plenty of people break in this laundromat, but no one's gotten past our layered security to get this far yet. All right, let's fill this bad boy up. All right, and get another bucket of quarters. Woo! All right, change machines filled back up with quarters. You know what? You know what? You gotta always check them. Yeah. Lock them back up tight. Turn them off, turn them on, reset all the electronics. And just like that, about $1,200 every 4 days. Sometimes it's better, sometimes it's worse, you know, but it's year round. It's every couple days, it's nonstop. It's an essential business in a great location that produces a ton of cash flow, okay? I want you guys to tell me what else that you want me to make videos on. We've got laundromats, we've got apartment complexes. I really want to do a deep dive into the laundromat and how to find them, how to fund them, how to run them, how to do it all with no money out of your pocket, just like we did this one. If you're interested in more stuff like this and more content, please subscribe, please like, please comment below. Tell us what you think. Tell me how I can improve. Tell me what you want to see, and we'll see you on the next video.